Hello everyone, in this video I will going to show you how to swap your PX token to convert your PX token into ton or different coin. So now a lot of people have PX token but you don't know how to swap it or you don't know how to sell it because currently now PX token is not yet traded on centralized exchange. So in this video I will going to show you how to sell your token using the centralized exchange. So already you have PX token in your wallet. Let me enter my token keeper. So after you enter your token keeper, so make sure you have ton. So we are going to use ton for the gas fee in this swap. So if you have ton, if you recharge your token keeper with ton, already you have PX token. So then you have your PX token. So already I have PX on my wallet, so I will going to show you how to sell it because currently now we can't trade it on centralized exchange, so we can trade it on decentralized exchange. When you trade, when you swap it to PX to ton, you can go and sell your ton in centralized exchange. So I'm using ton keeper. Make sure you have gas fee in your wallet, which is ton, small ton amount, buy ton. So after you enter your ton keeper, already you have ton and you have your PX token in your wallet. So then click browser. Let me click browser. So click here browser, let me click it. So I click browser. So make sure you open your data internet. So let me open it. If you are using Wi-Fi, make sure you connect. So I'm enter my browser. I'm waiting to open. Let me refresh. So make sure enter your browser. So I enter my browser. So I'm facing network issue. So I'm waiting. So when you enter your browser, you can search here. So in Ton blockchain, already we know PX token is on Ton blockchain. So on Ton blockchain we have different decentralized exchange that can use it to swap your PX to Ton. So now we are going to choose STON.fi exchange, STON.fi decentralized exchange. So now we are going to choose STON.fi. It is amazing dex. So I advise you to use STON.fi if you are going to swap any token on Ton blockchain. So now we are going to choose STON.fi. You can search STON.fi. You can see like you see now. Let me click here. Then click here. After you click, so we are in STON.fi. It is very amazing exchange. It is first or layer 1 decentralized exchange on Tron blockchain. So it is very good, it is very amazing. So I advise you to use STON.fi if you are going to swap any token on Tron blockchain. So like you see my STON.fi already open, so make sure me are already connected my wallet. So let me show you how to connect your wallet. So I already connect to my wallet. So if your wallet didn't connect, then click here and connect it. So me, I already connect it. So click here to choose where we are going to convert PX into ton. So click here and choose PX. Let me click. Yeah, I have 30 PX here. Let me click PX. So I click PX. So then come here and click here. When you click here PX to ton, that is means PX to ton, you are going to convert your PX or swap your PX into ton. So make sure you have gas fee. Like you see here, I have 0.14 ton cents. So I have little ton here to cover my transaction fee. So when you confirm you have available ton, then click here how many ton do you like to, how many PX do you like to, how many PX do you like to convert it to ton blockchain, to ton native token. So now I'm going to sell all my PX. So then click here, after you click here, you see I click all maximum amount, my maximum amount. So you see now I'm going to receive 0.8 ton cent. So you can check the transaction pay. So it is showing me I don't have enough gas fee to cover this transaction. So it is showing me I don't have gas fee to cover this transaction. So I'm going to recharge to cover this fee. So if you are already have your I advise you to use like 0.2 or 0.3, like here blockchain pay it is around 0.05 to 0.3 ton. So I advise you to use to buy 0.3 ton and keep it on your ton keeper or any ton wallet. So after this you can click swap. So me now I don't have a lot of gas fee to complete this transaction. So I'm going back to buy to deposit ton to cover this transaction. So now like you see I deposited enough of ton in my wallet. So like you see I have, so I advise you to deposit at least 0.3 ton. But the charge, the pay is less, but at least 0.3 ton is very enough. So now like you see I'm going to swap all my PX to ton. So I'm getting network issues, so let me fix it. So my network is back. Let me choose PX, then let me click here. Let me click here. Let me click here. So after you click here, the PX will be off and the tone will be down. So that means PX PX tone. So we are going to trade swap PX to tone. So let me click. So I'm click. So let me. So I'm getting problem with my wallet. Let me. Okay, now it is good. So my wallet already connected. So let me click max here. If you click here, like it is max. When you click here, it takes max. So I'm click here. So after that, scroll it down, then check out the prices, and the sleep rate is 1%, minimum receipt 0.8 ton cent, blockchain pay 0.05 to 0.3. So make sure you have enough gas fee in your wallet. Then click swap, then click here swap. Let me click. After then confirm swap. So I'm going to confirm the transaction, then click here to confirm. Click here, scroll it, sweep it right, so I will sweep it, then enter your fingerprint. So that is the transaction is processing, executing transaction. So you can see details here. So the transaction is executing. So we are waiting to complete it. So now the transaction is completed successfully. So now the transaction is completed. So let us move back to our turn keeper. So now let us go back to the turn keeper, then refresh your wallet. So now successfully check the transaction history. So like you see, I received 0.21 ton, 0.2 cent of ton. So successfully now we, like you see here, if you check the transaction history, this is a transaction. So you can click here to see how many ton STON.fi blockchain, how many charge. Let me click. Like you see here, a small charge is almost 0.04 cent of ton. That is 0.1 cent. So that is all. Now I successfully convert my PX into ton. So from here you can go and send your ton to centralized exchange, Bybit or Binance or other exchange. You can sell it in centralized exchange. So like you see in this video, I successfully show you how to swap your PX, because PX currently now is not on SEX. It's only tradable on the centralized exchange. So like you see, I show you to use. I show you practically to swap your PX token in STON.fi. Then now I completed everything, so it is choice to you to choose your centralized exchange where you can go and sell it and cash out your money into your bank account. So this is the end of this video. Thank you everyone. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel. I will continuously updating you about STON.fi and other crypto and blockchain videos. Thank you.